Happy birthday, doTERRA. My name is Jason Wendroff-Roenicke, and I've been a wellness advocate for about 2 years now. And when I sit in my local meeting, I look around the room, and I'm usually only one of two guys. So today, my recipe is going to be for guys only. It's going to be a pre-shave oil. I've been getting into shaving lately, and I love to make my own products, and so this is my recipe for my pre-shave oil. I start off using 2 ounces of grapeseed oil. It's a little bit thicker than the coconut oil, so it goes on a little bit thicker and it's a little bit more lubricating to the skin. So I put it in a dark green bottle. It helps to prevent waste because I keep reusing this bottle every time I need to refill. It's also very dark, it's protected from the light, and I keep it in a dark cabinet. And then I add 4 different essential oils. I add 12 drops of lavender because it's great for the skin. 12 drops of clove, very antiseptic. It cleans the skin and gets ready for the shave. 12 drops of sandalwood. I usually use the regular sandalwood, not the Hawaiian. Sometimes I'll throw the Hawaiian in as just to mix it up a little bit, and that's really soothing to the skin because when the razor goes across it, you need something soothing. And my favorite aroma is of the black pepper. It gives it a very spicy smell, makes it very, very masculine, and I absolutely love it. I use 20 drops of the black pepper. I put it all in my dark green bottle, cap it up, give it a good shake so that all the oils mix, and then it's ready to use. It takes about 1 or 2 minutes to make, and it provides a really great shave, very lubricating, very nourishing to the skin, and I am absolutely in love with it. So that's my recipe for a pre-shave oil. Have a very happy birthday, and to many, many more years of success.